Reverb is broken up into a few different sections: input processing, early reflections, global diffusion network, and the level controls. These all affect the reverb signal, not the original sound before the reverb hits. Starting with input processing, we'll notice a low cut and high cut with an XY pad. This is the first stage the inputted sound goes through. This is essentially an EQ for the reverb. Up and down is the amplitude, so how much is added or taken away from the level of the reverb. And left-right works just like our EQs. To the left is the lows and to the right is the highs. Let's listen how this affects the signal. Notice with the low cut on, and we move this to the right, our reverb removes the low frequency in it. Now let's try the high cut. To the left, we'll hear more of the low frequencies but lose our highs. So we hear the highs for a second and then we only hear the low frequencies after that.